What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I don't even know where I am right now. I'm with my man Wizdom, and he's taking me places. Actually, I'm at Oka, my bad. I try to keep up, you know? Keep up with the lowrider S. Look at him having fun. Yes, sir. That's what it's about. So, guys, we're at Oka, you know, where all the dispensaries are at. It's gonna take me to some twisties, so we're gonna check that out too. I'm probably not gonna talk too much in this video, some biker, and just enjoy it, man. On the way here, I was recording, but it was just a video for, you know, a ride video with no talking, just like you guys were in my point of view watching the ride. We took the ferry. That was very nice. I don't know why every time we go on a ferry I love it. It's like you're seeing the water and the view is amazing. So here's all the weed shops. Medicine Box, the main one. Mary Jane's. It's a beautiful day for a ride, guys. We're in the beginning of August, so the season's almost finishing, so we gotta get them rides in, you know. I don't know if I should go the same speed or hang back a bit. I'm not sure about these roads, you know. If I've done this before. I think I've done it like a few years back. It's been a minute since I've done this ride. I'm not sure. Alright. That guy had no helmet. Let me put on some music. I can stand too, yeah. But I ain't gonna do no turn when I'm standing. I ain't there yet, bruh. Damn, there's even some dispensaries here. Man, there's a lot here. Damn, another one. Like DJ Khaled would say, another one, another one, another one. If he starts going fast like that, I can't keep it. Come on, let's go. Get away from me. Oh man, I gotta get a faster bike. There you go, I finally caught up because he slowed down. chilling, man. Look at him bopping his head. I'm bopping my head to some good music. That's what it's about, man. Just us two in the road, man. Yeah, boy. Y'all can't see it, but I'm smiling right now because I love this shit. So you guys ride, I want to know, what music do you guys listen to? I usually listen to hip-hop and rock and roll. Sometimes I listen to some dance, you know. Right now I'm listening to what am I listening to? Don't Fear the Reaper by Blue Oyster Cult, man. This song, every time it comes on, man, you just get a vibe. So yeah, let me know down below what y'all listen to. Give me a good playlist, man. Let me do a curve like that meme. I'm just gonna tilt my head. Let's see if that works. See, a curve is coming. You go like this. There you tilt. What a beautiful summer day, man. It's gonna suck when September hits. You can still ride, but when it gets cold, the night comes on sooner. Yeah. It's like he's dancing in front of me, you know, showing me all the potholes. Another one. And another one. Man, Quebec roads suck. Alright, slowing down. Battery I got left, so I don't know. If the video dies, guys, I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna say it right now. Thanks for watching. If you stuck around this long, I appreciate it. We made it, guys. Look at this, man. Very nice, isn't it? Very nice. Yeah, so yeah, guys, that was a good ride, man. Hope you guys enjoyed that video, so I'll see you on the next one. Peace.